From the moment we arrive, you'll see the difference. It begins with our English-speaking technicians who have all undergone a thorough background check. They will arrive on time in neatly pressed Starbrite blue uniforms. From pressure washing, window and gutter cleaning, to home maintenance and repair, Starbrite Total Home Care has you covered. So give us a call for all your window cleaning, pressure washing, gutter cleaning needs, and soon to come, Starbrite is going to be offering carpet cleaning and home interior maid service. So give us a call at 404-934-1309. We really look forward to hearing from you.